Nature Guy? Who's Nature Guy? No, I'm just kidding. I know who Nature Guy is. Nature Guy is dead. And Nature Man has taken his place. Nature Guy was weak. He wore shorts. Nature Man is stronger. I bought some pants. When I wear the pants, I feel like they make me more durable, more rugged. See, now, Nature Guy would have let this rock get in his path. Not Nature Man, no. I'm a lot tougher, braver than I used to be. Yogi Bear, I dare you to steal this picnic basket. I will eat you. Yeah, it's a little foggy, a little windy out. That should be no problem for Nature Man. If I am being honest, I did lose my shorts. I was taking a dip, a skinny dip. Park ranger found me. The shorts got confiscated as evidence. We got some natural cow feces. Nutritional, as I've come to discover over the course of my adventures. God, I'll tell you, I'm starting to feel like Bear Grylls out here. You can call me Bear. Grills. I couldn't think of anything good. Bear naked, because I got arrested for indecent exposure. I'm gonna be real here. My calves are kind of sweltering a little bit. Yeah. No, I'm loving the pants. They're great. I can't do this anymore. I want to be Nature Guy again.